Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to talk about how you can get your Bigo account verified. So, when you verify your account, a green or blue tick mark will appear right there, right? So that kind of helps you with recovering your accounts and all other stuff. So, and there is no way till now to verify your account from PC. So what you need to do is get on your phone, get Bigo Live, just log in and go to your profile. It will be labeled as a me. There will be an icon which will be labeled as a me. You're gonna click on it, then you're gonna click on verify your account, right? So they will ask you for a certain amount of fee or verification charge, and just give your information and pay the charge. Then they will let you know when your account will be verified. So that's it. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.